Hey guys, it's Tally with One Up Tech, and I got a huge update here. Let's freaking go! We got our first AMD and RTX 5080 customer. I am excited for this Sunday, guys. We're gonna go on stream to build this beast of a gaming computer. Super excited, guys. I'm like, you know what? Dirty Wolf, come on, man. Just let me build it right now. Come on, please. Please. We got him the AMD Ryzen 9, and to be exact, it's the 9950X. Our customer, he is a gamer and he is a streamer, so we're like, let's get you something that is solid in gaming, but let's get you something that's even better for streaming, because as a streamer you got so many applications, you got the encoding, everything that has to do with stream. And yeah, we're gonna do some great stuff. I'm so excited, guys. We got a good CPU right now that's a beast of a gaming CPU, as well as a beast in the workstation area. It really does multitask very well with those 16 cores, 32 threads, and yeah, it's gonna be able to handle the streaming and the gaming at the same time. So I am excited to build this sucker on Sunday. So you guys, bring in your questions, bring in your snacks, let's chat, let's talk about computers and geek out together, guys. Like, come Sunday, we're gonna be streaming on Twitch, we're gonna be streaming on YouTube. Come on in, guys, come on in. Like, even if you want to freaking build an estimate and I have time to do it on stream, I'll show you guys numbers, so come on in. I'm not afraid to show you guys the good stuff, okay? But yes, come on in, guys. I tell you what, you guys come in, y'all gonna see something amazing. I'm telling you, there's gonna be something really unique that you haven't seen on a computer build for quite some time, and you guys are gonna be like, are you serious? It's because we have these unique customers, and when I tell you One Up Tech builds custom computers, we really do mean it. We get whatever hardware you want to put on there and we just make it happen. So come on in Sunday, guys. I am freaking excited. Dirty Wolf, please just let me build it. Anyways, guys, see you guys Sunday.